Welcome friends in our SSIS tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to focus on for loop container. So for loop container is work as the same as in any programming language. That means the for loop container defines a repeating control flow in a package. So here we are going to learn how it works. So basically in any programming language, if you are using a for loop container, there are three conditions in it. One is initialization, that means from where the loop should be start. Then evolution, expression, then you need to check if the condition is true, then it should be run. And then third one is your assign expression, where you need to set the increment or decrement of that particular variable. So here we are going to create a variable. Okay, now I am going to just drag and drop a for loop container and go to the edit property, and in initializing expression I am going to set the I counter should be start from 1, that is our initialized expression. Then evolution expression, what we are going to do here, we are going to check if our value is less than or equal to 10, then it should be run. The third one is our assign expression, where we need to tell the program the value should be, the variable value should be increment or decrement. So here what I'm going to do here, I'm just copy it and tell the program in every time it should be incremented by 1 and click on OK button. Now I am going to drop a skip task inside the for loop container body, and here I am going to edit property of it. In it, open a editor window, and now create variable. So my variable name is, that is, you define I counter. Okay, now copy this and I am going to click on edit script. Now it will open a separate project. Now here what I am going to do, I need to check the value of the variable. So I have passed this value to the skip task and read this value inside the skip task with the help of message box. Okay, dot value and convert this value to string, because message box is going to read the. Okay, now I am going to save this project and close this project. We are back to our skip task editor and click on OK button. Now I am going to execute my program here. Now you can see this is the first value, second value, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now after 10 it is going to be stop. So it is very easy to use a loop container, where you need to tell the program, tell your package that your package would be start from this value and run till this value, like here. So please subscribe my channel on YouTube for more videos on SSIS, SSRS, SQL Server, Data Warehouse, Azure Data Warehouse, Data Modeling. Thank you for watching us.